Alright, in this video, we will see about the logical operators in CSS media queries. Okay, so we have seen about some of the logical operators, something like only and then and. Okay, so what only does? Only does like, hey, if the browser supports the media query, then use the media query below. If the browser do not support the media query, then don't worry about the CSS which is written inside of the media query. Okay. And then and tells like, hey, use this only screen and use the orientation here, which is landscape. Okay, so what I'll do here, I will go to the MDN documentation and see about the logical operators. So the logical operators, not and, only, and or, can be used to compose a complex media query. Okay, so if we want to compose a complex media query, then we use these logical operators. So now let's see about the OR operator. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just get rid of that and do the following: max width of 600 pixels or the min width of 1600 pixels. So what we are saying here, we are saying like, hey, use these styles when the width is smaller than the 600 pixel and the width is larger than the 1600 pixels. So if I go to the browser here, so let's see that. As you can see here, the width is smaller than 600 pixels. And then I'll just increase that, and now the width is greater than 600 pixels. Now I will increase that a little bit more. Now the width is more than 1600 pixels. Okay, and now these styles are applied. So this is the OR logical operator. And then what we can do something like not operator as well. So if I just do not, then what does that mean? So max width means all of the CSS here should apply when the width is smaller than 600 pixels, right? And if I just use the not, then it will opposite that. So all of the CSS should apply when the width is greater than 600 pixels. If I save that, so as you can see, there we go. And if I just do something like this, as you can see, when the width is smaller than the 600 pixel mark, then the styles changes. And now you might be thinking like, hey, what is the point? And yes, we do not use the not operator quite a lot because we can achieve the same thing by using the min width CSS property. Okay, if I do that, as you can see here, we have the same result. Okay, so these are all of the logical operators which we use, okay, to build up the media queries. So most of the important things are only, and or. Okay, and also we have the not as well. All right, so these are the logical operators in CSS media queries.